Hello, I'm Brian, a Senior Product Manager at AskHandle. Today, I'll guide you through the AskHandle platform and show you how to build your own AI agent using your data. Let's get started by logging into the AskHandle dashboard. Once you log in, you will immediately see your chat history. This allows you to monitor all past conversations easily. Next, we will move to the Command Center, which is essentially the backbone of AskHandle. By default, your AI agent operates in combined data mode. This means your AI agent will first search your documents to answer a question. If it doesn't find a suitable answer, it will use its own knowledge base to respond. To customize your AI's behavior, we can write a system command to instruct it on how to respond to your users. Now, let's add a data source. You can upload documents such as Word, Excel, or PDF files. Additionally, you can add website links for your AI to learn from. Once you've uploaded your data, click Save Data Source. After the data is processed, your AI agent will be ready to serve your users. Next, let's head over to the test page and click on the test link. This is where you can test your AI and see how it performs in real time. AskHandle also allows you to collect user information, such as their name, email, and phone number, through a pre-chat form. Let's test the question. Is AskHandle powered by artificial intelligence? You'll see how quickly and accurately the AI responds. When you set up your account, you can test it with your own questions to see how it performs. This was a quick walkthrough of the AskHandle platform. If you'd like to try it out yourself, you can sign up for a free account at AskHandle.com. Thank you, and happy building!